How to find your account number on N26. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the N26 application in your mobile device. And once you're inside your app, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your account. So once you're logged into your account, you will simply see My Account option. Go ahead and tap onto it, and just like so, you'll then be able to find your IBAN and BIC number right over there. Just like so, that is how you can easily find your account number and N26. But if you're on a web app, go ahead and log in to n26.com on your computer, and just like so, go to My Account and find your IBAN and BIC number. Also, you can download your monthly statement from the app or website. Your IBAN is printed there too and hanging on with your important informations. That's all it takes to find your account number and N26. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.